Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Podcast.
Hi, friends. We are really happy you are here with us today.
My name is Ima.
And I am Daniel.
On this channel, you practice real everyday English with slow, clear, and natural conversations.
We help you speak with more confidence, one simple conversation at a time.
If you enjoy learning with us, please like this video and subscribe to Everyday English Podcast.
Thank you so much. Now, let us get started.
Oh, Daniel, I am so glad we made it. I feel a little nervous in hotels.
That is normal. We will keep it simple, slow, and clear.
Okay, first step, I walk to the front desk and I say my name, right?
Yes, you can say, I have a reservation under the name Ima. That sentence is gold.
Haha, I love that. Say it again slowly so everyone can copy it.
Sure, I have a reservation under the name Ima. Now you try it, nice and slow.
I have a reservation under the name Ima. Wow, that feels professional.
Great. Then you can add, could you please check me in? It sounds polite and confident.
Could you please check me in? Nice. And what if they ask for my passport or ID?
You can say, here is my passport, or here is my ID. Simple and clean.
Okay, we are at the desk now. I will pretend you are the receptionist.
Perfect. Hello, welcome. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Ima. Could you please check me in?
Thank you. Let me take a look.
Oh, I see you're booking for 2 nights. Yes, that is right. And, is breakfast included?
Good question. You can ask exactly like that. Also, you can ask, what time is check-in and check-out?
What time is check-in and check-out? Great, I always forget that.
Same here. Another helpful line is, could I have a quiet room, please?
Oh yes, because I sleep light. Could I have a quiet room, please? Not near the elevator.
Nice detail. Now imagine the receptionist says your room is not ready yet.
Oh no, that is my fear. What do I say without sounding angry?
You stay calm and ask, could I check in early if possible? If not, you ask, could you hold our luggage?
That sounds so polite. Okay, but what if they offer an upgrade with a fee? Do I accept or do I ask for options?
Great question. If they offer an upgrade with a fee, you can ask for choices in a polite way.
Like, how much is the upgrade? I want to sound calm.
Yes, you can say, how much is the upgrade? And then, what does it include?
How much is the upgrade? What does it include? That feels fair.
If you want to try for a free upgrade, you can say, is there any chance of a complimentary upgrade today?
Oh, wow. Complimentary sounds so professional.
It is a friendly word, and it keeps the tone positive. Now, let us keep the role play going.
Okay, you are the receptionist. My room is not ready, right?
Right. Your room will be ready at 3 p.m. It is 1 p.m. now.
Oh, I understand. Could I check in early if possible?
We do have one room available now, but it is an upgraded room.
How much is the upgrade?
It is $30 per night, and it includes breakfast.
That is tempting, but I also want to save money. What do I say?
You can say, no worries. Could you hold our luggage, please?
No worries. Could you hold our luggage, please? I like that because it sounds kind.
Exactly. Now switch roles. You be the receptionist, and I will be the guest.
Sure. Hello, welcome. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Daniel. Could you please check me in?
Let me take a look. Yes, I see you're booking for 2 nights. May I see your passport?
Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you. There is also a deposit.
Oh, a deposit. So I ask, is there a deposit? How much is the deposit?
Yes, and you can ask, what forms of payment do you accept?
What forms of payment do you accept? Do you accept debit cards?
Great. And if you need to pay, you can say, I will pay by card.
I will pay by card. Okay, now I want one more thing, and I always forget how to ask it. Could I have a quiet room, please, away from the elevator?
Let me check. I can give you a room now, but it is on the 2nd floor near the elevator.
Oh, that might be noisy. Could I have a room on a higher floor if possible?
A higher floor is available after 3 p.m. We can hold your luggage and you can come back later.
So I have to choose. Do I wait for the quiet room or do I take the room that is ready now?
Oh, I understand. If you want quiet, waiting can be worth it.
I think I will wait for the higher floor because I need sleep.
Great choice. Then you say, "Could you hold my luggage, please?"
Could you hold my luggage, please? And I ask, when should I come back?
Yes. You can say, "What time should I come back for the room key?"
Wow, that sounds clear. What if I want to use the restroom first?
Oh, you can ask, "Where is the restroom, please?" Simple and polite.
Where is the restroom, please? Okay, now we leave our bags.
Perfect. And while you wait, you can ask, "Is there a cafe nearby?"
I always need coffee. Is there a cafe nearby?
Nice. Now let us return to our real story. We decide to wait.
Right. We drop our luggage and go for a quick snack.
Then we come back at 3 p.m. and we walk to the desk again.
Oh, I feel more confident now. I know what to say.
You start with a friendly line. "Hi, I am back to check in."
Hi, I am back to check in. My reservation is under Daniel.
Great. Then the receptionist might ask, "Do you want 1 key or 2 keys?"
I want 2 keys, please. That is a useful line.
Yes, 2 key cards, please. Now they explain the deposit again.
Oh, I can confirm. Is there a deposit? And how much is it?
Exactly. And if you already paid online, you can say, "I already paid online."
I already paid online. So the deposit is only for incidentals, right?
Yes. And if you do not understand a word, ask, "Could you explain that, please?"
Could you explain that, please? I like that because it is polite.
Now the receptionist gives you the key card and the room number.
Great. Then I ask, could you tell me where the elevator is?
Yes, and you can also ask, "Which floor is my room on?"
Which floor is my room on? Oh, and I need the Wi-Fi.
Good. You say, "How do I connect to the Wi-Fi?"
How do I connect to the Wi-Fi? And I ask about breakfast.
Right. You say, "Is breakfast included? And what time is breakfast?"
Wow, I can imagine saying all of this. But what if the key card doesn't work when we reach the door?
Oh, that happens sometimes. Stay calm and use one simple sentence.
What is the best sentence? I do not want to sound rude.
You can say, "Excuse me, my key card is not working. Could you please help me?"
Excuse me, my key card is not working. Could you please help me? Wow, that is easy.
Yes, and if you want to be extra clear, add your room number.
Excuse me, my key card is not working. I am in room 612. Could you please help me?
Perfect. Let us do the scene. We are at the door, the light stays red, and we sigh.
I can feel that stress already. Okay, we walk back to the front desk.
Right, and you start with a friendly tone.
Excuse me, my key card is not working. I am in room 612.
Great. Then the receptionist might ask for your name and ID again.
Oh, I can answer, "My name is Emma. Here's my ID."
Exactly. Then you can ask one more helpful question.
Could you reprogram the key card, please?
Yes, that is a strong phrase. Could you reprogram the key card, please?
Could you reprogram the key card, please? I like how polite it sounds.
Another option is, could you check the lock, please? But reprogram is usually enough.
Okay, the receptionist gives us a new card. Then we go back upstairs.
And when it works, you can say, "Oh, thank you, it works now."
Oh, thank you. It works now.
Nice. Now we finally open the door and step into the room.
Wow, it is so clean. I feel relaxed already.
Good. Now, this is the moment many learners forget. You can request small things.
Like extra towels and extra pillows, right?
Yes, you can call the front desk and say, "Could I get an extra towel and an extra pillow, please?"
Could I get an extra towel and an extra pillow, please? Should I say my room number again?
Yes, always. It helps. You can add, "I am in room 612.
Could I get an extra towel and an extra pillow, please? I am in room 612.
Perfect. And if you need something quickly, you can ask, "How long will it take?"
Oh, that is useful. How long will it take?
Now imagine we sit on the bed and then we notice something is off.
I hear a strange sound. The air feels warm, not cool.
Oh no, that sounds like the next problem. If the air conditioning is not working, what will you say when you call the front desk? Start with one clear sentence and then a polite request. You can say, "The air conditioning is not working in my room. Could you please help me?"
Oh, that is simple. The air conditioning is not working in my room. Could you please help me?
Yes, and add your room number so they can move fast.
Hello, the air conditioning is not working. I am in room 612. Could you please help me?
Perfect. Then you can ask, could you send someone to take a look?
Could you send someone to take a look? Wow, that sounds calm.
Exactly. Now let us act it out. You call the front desk.
Hello, this is Ema in room 612. The air conditioning is not working. Could you send someone to take a look?
Great. The receptionist might ask, is it blowing air at all?
Oh, I can answer. It is blowing air, but it is not cold.
Nice and specific. If there is no air, you say, it is not turning on.
Haha, I hope it is an easy fix.
Sometimes it is simple. Now, the receptionist says they can send maintenance in 20 minutes.
20 minutes feels long when you're tired. What do I say if I want a faster option?
You can ask, is there another room available? Could I switch rooms, please?
Is there another room available? Could I switch rooms, please? Oh, that is useful.
Yes, and keep your tone friendly. You can add, I'm really tired after traveling.
I am really tired after traveling, so a working room would help.
Great. Now let us imagine they offer two choices, wait for maintenance or switch to a different room on a lower floor.
Oh, lower floor might be noisy. How do I ask about noise in a polite way?
You can ask, is it a quiet room? And is it away from the elevator?
Is it a quiet room? Is it away from the elevator? Nice, I feel ready.
Now the receptionist says, we have a quiet room on the 5th floor, but it is 2 beds instead of 1.
2 beds is fine, but what if the room is smaller? Can I ask that?
Yes, you can ask, is the room the same size? And you can ask, is it the same rate?
Wow, same rate is important. Is it the same rate?
Exactly. Now they confirm it is the same rate and they will move you right away.
Oh, that is a relief. But, we already unpacked a little. How do we move quickly?
That happens. You can ask for help and keep it simple.
What do I say? Because I do not want to sound demanding.
You can say, could someone help us move our luggage, please? Or could we get a luggage cart?
Could someone help us move our luggage, please? Could we get a luggage cart? Nice.
Yes, and you can add, we have already unpacked a little, so we need a few minutes.
Oh, that feels honest. We have already unpacked a little, so we need a few minutes.
Great. Now the receptionist says, take your time, and here are new key cards for room 507.
Wow, room 507 sounds good. So I confirm we are moving to room 507, correct?
Exactly. And you can ask, is it on a quiet side of the building?
Is it on a quiet side of the building? I love that question.
Now we pack fast. Keep the important things with you, like passports and money.
You sound like my travel dad. Okay, I have them in my bag.
Then we go downstairs with our bags. A staff member brings a cart and guides us.
Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. That is the line, right?
Yes, say it warmly. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. I feel calmer now.
Now we arrive at the new room. Before we unpack, we check the basics.
Okay, I check the air conditioning first, then the bathroom, then the noise.
Perfect. If something is wrong again, you can say, I am sorry, but there is still an issue.
Oh, I hope not. Let me try the air conditioning. Wow, it is cold already.
Great. Now check the window. Do you hear traffic?
No, it is quiet. This is exactly what I wanted.
Nice. Now you might want one more small request, like a blanket.
I always get cold at night. Could I get an extra blanket, please? I am in room 507.
Perfect. And if you want to know when it will arrive, ask, how long will it take?
How long will it take? Great. Okay, we finally relax.
Before we sleep, let us check the Wi-Fi. Sometimes the code changes.
Oh, good point. How do I connect to the Wi-Fi again?
And now we remember tomorrow. If we want to sleep in, we may need more time.
Oh, you mean late checkout. How do I ask for late checkout without sounding pushy?
You can keep it friendly and simple. You say, could I have a late checkout if possible?
Could I have a late checkout if possible? That sounds polite.
Yes, and ask the time. You can say, what time would be possible?
What time would be possible? Nice. And if there is a fee, I should ask, right?
Exactly. You can ask, is there an extra charge for late checkout?
Oh, that is a smart question. Is there an extra charge for late checkout?
Now try it as one smooth request, like a real call to the front desk.
Hello, this is Ema in room 507. Could I have a late checkout if possible? What time would be possible?
Perfect. Tomorrow morning, we pack, we check the room, and we go to the desk.
Wow, I always check the charger in the bathroom one last time.
At the desk, you can say, "Hello, I would like to check out, please."
Hello, I would like to check out, please. Could I have a copy of the bill, please?
Great. If you see a charge you do not understand, say, "Could you explain this charge, please?"
Could you explain this charge, please? I want to avoid surprises.
Then you can say, "I will pay by card." After that, ask for luggage storage.
I will pay by card. Could you hold my luggage after checkout, please?
Great. You can also ask, "Until what time can you hold it?"
Until what time can you hold it? Oh, that helps a lot.
Now here's a common twist. The receptionist says the hotel is fully booked, so late checkout might not be possible.
That is disappointing, but I want to stay polite. What can I say?
You can say, "No problem at all. Could I leave my luggage here after checkout?"
No problem at all. Could I leave my luggage here after checkout?
Then ask for a small extension. You can say, "Could I check out 30 minutes later if possible?"
Could I check out 30 minutes later if possible? That feels reasonable.
And if they say no, you ask, "Could I wait in the lobby for a while?"
Could I wait in the lobby for a while? Oh, and where's the restroom, please?
Perfect. Now you are standing at the desk and you are about to ask, and the receptionist looks at the screen and says something unexpected about your bill. What did they find?
Oh, the receptionist says there is a minibar charge on our bill.
Minibar charge? That is strange. We did not touch the minibar.
This is a perfect moment to stay calm and clear. You can say, "Could you explain this charge, please?"
Could you explain this charge, please? And then I point to the line on the bill.
Yes, and you can add one more sentence to be specific. You can say, "I did not use the minibar. Could you double check, please?"
Oh, I love that. I did not use the minibar. Could you double check, please?
Great. Now let us role play. I am the receptionist again.
Okay. Hello, I see a minibar charge here. I did not use the minibar. Could you double check, please?
Thank you for telling me. Let me check the system.
I will wait patiently, but I am watching the screen like a hawk.
The receptionist checks and says, "It might have been added by mistake during room change."
Oh, that makes sense because we switched rooms. So I say, thank you for checking. Could you remove the charge, please?
Exactly. That is polite and direct.
Thank you for checking. Could you remove the charge, please?
Perfect. Then the receptionist removes it and updates the bill.
Wow, that feels good. And if I want to confirm the total, I say, could I see the updated bill, please?
Yes. Could I see the updated bill, please? Simple and professional.
Could I see the updated bill, please? And if the deposit is still held, what do I ask?
You can ask, "When will the deposit be released?"
When will the deposit be released? That is very useful.
Now the receptionist says the deposit will be released within a few business days.
Oh, okay. Then I say, thank you for letting me know.
Great. Next, we ask about our luggage.
Could you hold my luggage after checkout, please? We will come back later today.
Perfect. And ask for a tag or a receipt. You can say, "Could I get a luggage tag, please?"
Could I get a luggage tag, please? I do not want my bag to disappear.
Smart. Now we are ready to leave, but one more thing can make you sound very natural.
Oh, what is it?
End with a warm thank you. You can say, "Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it."
Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Wow, that sounds friendly and confident.
Yes, and if you enjoyed your stay, add, "Everything was great. Thank you."
Everything was great. Thank you. I feel proud because I handled a problem and stayed polite.
That is the goal. Now, let us give everyone one quick practice line to copy.
Say it with me. I did not use the minibar. Could you double check, please?
Say it with me. Could I have a late checkout if possible?
Say it with me. Could you hold my luggage after checkout, please?
Now we have one question for you so you can practice in the comments.
Question of the day. When you stay at a hotel, what is the first thing you ask for? A quiet room, breakfast, Wi-Fi, or late checkout?
Write one simple sentence in English and we will read your answers.